You won't believe these powerful woodworking tools are all under $50. And yes, they're all on Amazon. From genius gadgets to budget-friendly upgrades, these tools will blow your mind. All product links are added in the description below. Don't miss out. Motovera Laser Level. The Motovera Laser Level is a budget-friendly tool that delivers pro-grade accuracy for under $30. With a range of up to 100 feet and plus or minus 1/8 inch precision at 33 feet, it's perfect for both indoor and outdoor projects. Featuring 4 brightness settings, a 360-degree magnetic bracket, tripod compatibility, and IP54 durability, this green laser outshines traditional red beams. Whether you're a DIYer or a pro, the Motovera makes leveling faster, smarter, and more accurate every time. Bessey Angle Strap Clamp. The Bessey Angle Strap Clamp is the perfect solution for securing frames, boxes, and irregular or circular projects. Featuring a 23-foot no-stretch polyester strap and pivoting pressure pads, it applies even force at angles from 6 degrees to 180 degrees. Its unique winding gear pulls the strap evenly from both sides, ensuring distortion-free clamping every time. With 4 adjustable corner supports and a built-in strap coiler, this versatile tool makes tricky clamping jobs simple, precise, and professional. Craig Pocket Hole Jig. The Craig Pocket Hole Jig makes joinery fast, strong, and beginner-friendly. Perfect for materials from 1/2 inch to 1.5 inches thick, it features a 3-hole drill guide for precise, adjustable pocket holes every time. With its large clamping recess, removable drill guide, and dust collection adapter, it's built for both bench and portable use. Trusted by pros and DIYers alike, this jig takes the guesswork out of woodworking. Drill, drive, and you're done. Prexiso Tile Square Laser. The Prexiso Tile Square Laser is designed to make flooring and tiling jobs faster, easier, and more accurate. It projects bright 90-degree red laser lines up to 30 feet, ensuring perfect alignment every time. Built-in bubble veils guarantee precise leveling, while the magnetic base and leveling plate provide stability on any surface. With simple one-button operation, this compact tool is ideal for tile work, drywall, ceilings, and more, bringing pro-level accuracy to every project. Wolfcraft Bevel Plus Miter Box. The Wolfcraft Bevel Plus. Miter Box is a smart 2-in-1 tool that makes cutting perfect angles simple. It measures angles from 85 degrees to 180 degrees and instantly transfers them to your saw, eliminating guesswork and errors. Integrated guide pins ensure precise handsaw cuts on battens up to 70 millimeters high. Compact, durable, and easy to use, this bevel and miter box is ideal for framing, flooring, and molding projects, giving you professional results with minimal effort. Going Make Sharpening Kit. The Going Make Sharpening Kit is the ultimate solution for keeping chisels and plane blades razor sharp. Built from durable aluminum, brass, and stainless steel, this honing guide system locks your tools firmly in place and maintains precise angles from 15 degrees to 45 degrees. Dual rollers keep the blade steady on the stone, ensuring consistent, square edges every time. Compact, easy to use, and built to last, this kit makes professional sharpening simple for both DIYers and pros. Milescraft 8401. Trim 45, Carpentry Aid. The Milescraft, 8401. Trim 45 is a clever carpentry aid that takes the guesswork out of trim work. Priced affordably, it's designed for doors, windows, and decorative trim with built-in reveal settings from 1/8 inch to 1/2 inch. Rare earth magnets and clamp compatibility make it easy to use, even solo. Perfect for marking 45-degree miters quickly and accurately, this compact tool ensures professional results without tape measure juggling, making trim installation faster, simpler, and more precise. Kreg Quick Flip. The Kreg Quick Flip is a clever dual-purpose drill and driver bit that makes joinery effortless. On one end, it drills precise pilot holes and counterbores. Then, with a simple flip, it drives Kreg screws using the built-in No. 2 square drive. Perfect for face joining, cabinet work, or mounting false fronts, this tool saves time while ensuring strong, clean joints. Compact, durable, and easy to use, the Quick Flip is a must-have for every woodworking toolkit. PrexISO PLL 22-in-1. The PrexISO PLL 22-in-1 pen laser and level is a compact powerhouse for precision measuring. Combining a 65-foot laser distance measurer with a heavy-duty torpedo level, it's perfect for quick, accurate indoor projects. Magnetic edges, solid vials, and a backlit display make it easy to use, even in tight or dim spaces. Built for professionals, yet sized for your pocket, this smart tool takes the guesswork out of every measurement and alignment task. Cyker Multifunction Scriber. The Cyker Multifunction Scriber is a game-changer for any woodworker or DIY enthusiast. Built from durable aluminum alloy, this compact tool helps you draw perfect lines, angles, and circles with unmatched precision. Its adjustable pen holder and locking mechanism ensure accuracy every time, whether you're marking wood, tiles, or metal. Lightweight, pocket-sized, and incredibly versatile, the Cyker Scriber turns complex measurements into effortless tasks, making it a must-have gadget under $50. Kreg KBCIC Inline Clamp. The Kreg KBCIC Inline Clamp is a powerful yet compact tool every woodworker needs. Designed to fit standard 3/4-inch dog holes, it delivers up to 250 pounds of side clamping force without getting in your way. Its easy-to-adjust dial and wide range make it perfect for holding workpieces of all shapes and sizes. Whether you're assembling furniture, building projects, or securing boards, this durable low-profile clamp ensures stability, precision, and hassle-free woodworking, all under $25. Milwaukee Multi-Tool Blade Set. The Milwaukee Multi-Tool Blade Set is the ultimate solution for tackling tough jobs with precision. This 14-piece set includes titanium-enhanced bimetal blades that last up to 15 times longer, aggressive wood blades for rapid cuts, and Japanese tooth blades for clean finishes. With a universal open lock design, it fits most oscillating tools with ease. From wood and drywall to PVC and metal, Milwaukee delivers pro-level durability and versatility, a must-have upgrade for any toolbox. Micro Jig Block. Push Block. The Micro Jig GRR Ripper Push Block is a must-have for woodworking safety and precision. Designed with 3-directional force, downward, inward, and forward, it keeps your hands safe while delivering cleaner, more accurate cuts. Its exclusive green GRR Rip material grips wood, aluminum, and even slick surfaces covered in sawdust. By reducing kickback and increasing control, this compact tool boosts both confidence and results at the table saw. Whether beginner or pro, it's a smart safety upgrade under $50. Milescraft Sand-It. The Milescraft Sand-It multi-surface sanding block is a compact yet powerful tool designed to handle every detail of your woodworking projects. With 6 unique sanding surfaces, including rounded edges, concave faces, flat sides, and tight corners, it delivers precision on even the trickiest shapes. Compatible with any quarter sheet of sandpaper, you can switch grits in seconds. Perfect for spindles, plugs, curves, and edges. This affordable $8 tool makes sanding faster, easier, and incredibly versatile. $34 POs Chamfer Drilling Tools Set. The 34 PCs Chamfer Drilling Tool Set is an all-in-one upgrade for any workshop. Priced affordably, it includes countersink bits, plug cutters, titanium-coated step drills, and high-speed steel countersinks. Perfect for wood, PVC, plastic, and more. Built from durable high-carbon steel, each piece ensures precision and long-lasting performance. With multiple sizes and hex wrenches included, this versatile kit delivers clean holes, smooth finishes, and professional results, making it a must-have for DIYers and pros alike. Milescraft Laminate Trimmer. The Milescraft Laminate Trimmer is a simple yet powerful tool for achieving clean, precise edges every time. Designed for full control and comfort, it trims both straight and curved edges with ease. Using a standard razor blade for quick replacement, this compact tool is perfect for laminate, veneer, and edge banding work. Affordable, durable, and easy to use, the Milescraft Laminate Trimmer is a must-have finishing tool for woodworkers and DIYers aiming for flawless results. Double Edge Trimmer. The Double Edge Trimmer makes edge finishing faster and more precise than ever. Perfect for thin laminates, veneers, and edge banding, it trims both sides at once, straight on one side and adjustable for taper on the other. With threaded metal inserts for reliable adjustments, it ensures clean, professional results every time. Compact and easy to use, this efficient tool saves time while delivering flawless edges, making it a must-have for cabinetry and furniture projects. Stanley FatMax Tape Measure. The Stanley FatMax Tape Measure is built tough for pros and DIYers who demand accuracy. With an impressive 11-foot standout and a wide 1¼ blade, it makes solo measuring effortless. The blade armor coating and mylar film add durability, while easy-to-read markings and stud center indicators boost efficiency on the job site. Featuring a rugged case, cushioned grip, and true zero hook, this reliable tape measure is more than a tool. It's an essential companion for every project. Trend Hole Saw Set. The Trend Hole Saw Set delivers pro-grade durability and precision for tough cutting jobs. Made with enhanced M42 alloy steel and 8% cobalt, these saws handle high heat while delivering fast, clean cuts through wood, plastic, and even metal. A progressor tooth design boosts speed, while reinforced shoulders and triangle chip slots improve strength and make plug removal easier. Reliable and versatile, this set is a must-have for contractors, woodworkers, and serious DIYers looking for efficiency. These Amazon woodworking tools prove you don't need to spend big to get pro results. If you found your next favorite gadget, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more budget-friendly tool finds. All product links are in the description. Happy building!